Do you want your Shopify store to look more professional and unique? And are you looking to use custom icons for your store but not sure where to start? Welcome back to the Learn with GemPages video series. In today's video, I'll show you how to upload and use custom icons in GemPages. Let's get started. Step 1. In the GemPages editor, find the icon element, then drag and drop it into the desired position on your page. Step 2. Open the Settings tab of the icon element, then navigate to Choose. Here you'll see GemPages' built-in icon library. You can preview, choose, and filter icons as needed. Step 3. Click on Upload the SVG icon. Please note, only SVG files are supported for uploading. Step 4. Select your SVG icon file and upload it. Similarly, you can follow the same steps for the remaining sections with just a simple drag and drop action. And that's it. Super simple, right? Don't forget to save and then publish your page. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any new tutorials from Learn with GemPages. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.